Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair error LS-0013 Fortnite. To get started, open the Task Manager from Start. Here, select the Epic Games Launcher process. Click on End Task. After this, in the search box enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. Now open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Next, open the saved folder. Finally, select the folder on screen. Click on Delete. After this, on the search box enter Epic. Click on Run as administrator over Epic Games Launcher. Click on Yes to access. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.